that all of you are doing great. Well, there is this news that the Chinese VC, venture capitalist, actually loses $42 million in the crypto due to the compromised mnemonic seed phrase. Now, this has been done from the Trust Wallet. Let me tell you guys, a lot of people have now gone onto the Trust Wallet, withdrawing their funds from the exchanges. Why? Because rightly so, this is a private wallet, you happen to own it. But let me tell you, $42 million have been hacked from there. And seed phrase, by the way guys, it is like sometimes like 10 word within the same sequence, within a specific sequence, probably 16 words within a specific sequence, and that is your password to log into your respective MetaMask, Trust Wallet, right? I mean, you have different for the MetaMask, you have different for the Trust Wallet, and anybody who gets access to that 16-digit keyword can actually access your respective private key. So the problem or the hack that actually happened was not because of any fault within the Trust Wallet. Let me be clear, this is not a fault of Trust Wallet. The problem that occurred is because your seed phrase got compromised. Somebody got access to the person's seed phrase. So just imagine where the vulnerability is. I mean, the entire hackers are desperately trying to target people, desperately trying to target the big names, the small names, the mediocre names, right? Wherever they can get seed phrases, and the moment that they happen to get the seed phrases, all they have to do is just try to go and log in. And the moment that they log in, they can drain your entire portfolio. And this guy, he's not a newbie. Like, he is in the space from more than 7 years, more than 7-8 years. Last time he got hacked was 2016 itself. This is how the vulnerability comes, and this is the exact reason that I'm making this particular video, guys, because try to understand. I mean, you might be thinking that, okay, it might not happen to me, right? Or I'm not having that much of funds, but probably in the future you might be having, right? If you do not do the right practices initially itself, somebody, let's say, might get access to your seed phrase, and then they'll try to log in, right, themselves. And the moment that they log in, maybe right now they have just left it, but in the future they can drain it any time out. The moment that, let's say, you have become a millionaire and you still have it there, your funds there, your seed phrase is with someone, they can access it and immediately get it. So what could be the mistake? Do we think that he has actually clicked the photo and then published it onto social media? Definitely not. But the kind of things he might have done, probably saved the seed phrases on his computer, saved the seed phrases onto some sort of online platform, right? And it is very easy to access these platforms. As we know, like, the hackers can actually do that. Hacking a computer to get the document, to get the information, not at all a big deal. And especially when you are a big name, then probably hackers can come in and steal your information. All they have to do is find the 16-word key phrase. So try to think over it, guys. Try to think over it. Where is your vulnerability? Have you actually left your seed phrase somewhere? Now, this is the first message that I wanted to give to my audience, that the most important thing is your seed phrase, and if that gets compromised, your entire funds could lose. And hackers are desperately trying out there to actually steal your funds. The second message that I'm trying to give, okay, first of all, like, we will be very soon, we are in the process, we will be very soon launching a crypto startup, and that will have its own crypto token, and that will be dedicated to the crypto security. Why? Because we believe that this is the need of the hour. We are talking, the people are really skeptical about the crypto. The mainstream people, the Web3, the new people, potential onboarding people, they're like, it's all about hackers, it's all about scams, it's all about just taking people's money away. We need a lot more security measures within the crypto field, and we will be the startup that is going to drive this revolution, where we will be building things to protect users' fund, to protect a lot of like hackers, we will be applying a force, because there is a huge amount of force from the hackers point that has been applied into the entire crypto market trying to steal people's money, and we will be applying a force and contributing to that force trying to negate that effect. And that is what really relates to my second point, that there is a business saying that get into an industry and try to fix it into an order and you'll make a shit ton of money. So this is the opportunity for all the people out there. One of the biggest problems, and like all those losing money and stuff. So try to find, like, even if from the investment perspective, even if let's say not crypto, let's say even the stock market or any company, the blockchain company that they have formed, they do not have the crypto. Try to find them that are actually working on to building the security measures for the crypto and the Web3. That is where the future is going to be, because that is the need of the hour. Everybody wants, like, we want more security. We do not, I mean, the kind of incidents like this, like $42 million lost, hacked by somebody, I mean, just because of like few words were leaked. I mean, can it happen within the bank? Like normally right now, it might not happen within the banks, right? We have a lot of reversal mechanism. So that is the thing that we all need to understand and see. How can we do something like this? How can we help onto something like that? How can we invest into the companies that are doing something like that? And definitely very soon I'll be updating to you what are we building, but it has to be delivering a solution. It should not be just any other cryptocurrency to build something like this. So thanks a lot, guys. I hope that you found the video helpful, and please do subscribe to our channel if you have not already. And if you want to win one full Bitcoin, please watch the video by the end. All you have to do is just sign up to the best exchange in the world, that is the Binance, and then buy your first cryptocurrency, and you'll be qualified for the lifetime for one Bitcoin giveaway, the lucky draw that we keep on drawing. So till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way. You sign up, you deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.